Good morning, welcome to Harvesting Heritage. I'm Channing and I am still in my greenhouse and we're starting seeds today. I am getting through a ton of options and I wanted to pause and specifically call out two of the flowers that I'm starting now because I plant them a little bit differently than individual cells for each individual flower. And that is ornamental onion and snapdragons. So both of these do not mind at all having their little seedling feet messed with. So what you can do, what I like to do, is actually plant a whole lot of one variety in one cup, and then once they grow up, I can either, if I need to transplant them or to up pot them, I can, but most typically the weather is nice enough at the point when I have a bunch of little seedlings that I can just transplant them straight out into the garden. They can handle the cold, no problem. And it just saves me so much room in my seed starting station in my greenhouse because I'm only using 1 cup. Now I do this for my regular onions as well. So it's just a really great option. I have not actually started ornamental onion before as seed like this is. I have some Globemaster alliums that I planted from the big bulbs, but this will be new. But I figure an onion must be an onion, and they probably are totally fine being planted exactly like I do my eating onions, like the Walla Wallas or red onion, that kind of thing. The seed looks exactly the same. I'm pretty confident that this will work out really well. So let me go ahead and show you what I am doing. So here we go. I'm gonna actually take just a little bit of soil off of this bowl. Okay. And this is pre-moistened. And all I'm gonna do is sprinkle a lot of seed in here, and then cover it back up, pat it down, we'll water that in, and that's it. An entire thing of started seeds, 1 tray. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with all of my snapdragons. So we've got Potomac yellow, I'll have Sean put a picture right here of what these look like since the Johnny seeds don't have pictures on the front. We have Costa apricot, Orleans early yellow, and the Tetra mix. I'm not typically a fan of mixed flowers because I like to have a little bit more control of my drifts. Since I have the seed, I can always give these to friends and family that maybe don't mind as much. And then the same thing, I'm going to go ahead and remove a little bit of the soil. You could scratch them in as well, but I just find this to be a really simple way that I don't displace a whole bunch of seeds. A little bit more. Oh no! There's nothing in here. Oh, that's so sad. I guess I didn't do a very good job of marking an X on these, so I knew to order them. I hope that's not true of all of these. It is. Oh no! Oh, that's so sad. Yep, I was gonna say, I bet I have the mixed one because I didn't care for that one as much. Oh, what a bummer. That's okay. We'll find some Snapdragon seeds. More reason to go to the garden center, see what's available in person rather than ordering online. Because I've already done my Johnny's seed order this year, and you know their shipping can get a little bit expensive if you don't have a lot to order with them. And I have plenty of seeds, so I shouldn't need to order so much. Okay. Well, that was a little bit disappointing. Lesson learned, I need to put X's, and I have added X's to these now. Okay. Oh, yay! I forgot, I have apple blossom. This is perfect. This is all I'm gonna need then. I know this one has flowers in it because I just bought it from M.I. Gardener this year, so yay! What a roller coaster we've been on this morning. Do you guys get as excited about seeds as me and feel as strongly when a variety isn't available? Or now I'm going to use every bit of this package, so I need to remember to mark that X on it. So I'm really heavily planting these. There we go. Neither of these say Snap. I just put the variety, so I better put Snap. Oh, I kind of don't want to do that because it's pretty. I'll put it on the back. There you have it, some ornamental onions and Snapdragons started in a little bit of a different way that you could try out as well. I'm really excited that so much is getting started. We're going to continue on now with some more flowers and probably get to our tomatoes and peppers today. It is a wonderful day to be in the greenhouse. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you'd like to continue this journey with me and my mom as we are exploring our hobbies together to stay connected, please consider subscribing. And until next time, I hope you have a joy-filled day.